Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a complete Electron.js FFmpeg project. So it's a video editor. So it's built inside React.js, and it's also using Electron.js, which is actually a framework for building desktop applications. So it actually can build out. So this is actually, you can see we are using React, and we are also using Fluent-FFMPEG, and then we are also using this Electron. So you can just see here we are use Electron for this to build out a complete desktop application. So right here we are running this command npm run dev. So this has started this project, and if you need the source code of this, the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So this is the full directory structure. So each and every component is customizable. I built it from scratch. So all the components, this is, you can see the FFmpeg Fluent FFmpeg library we are using. So this is the interface, which looks something like this. So right here you have the option to select a video file that you want to edit. So simply click the import button and simply import any video, and just add this to the timeline section. So here you can play the video. So here you can zoom. So this basically generates this fully timeline that you see right here. And we have this option to trim. This is the trim option. You can play the video in the video player, and at any location, let's suppose at this location we want to trim. So you simply click this icon. So this will split the video into two sections. So now you can select which section you don't want. Similarly, again, if you want to split at this location, click this. So now it divided this video into three sections. So depending upon which section you don't need, you click the dustbin icon. So now that section is removed. So you can just see here, it's easy for you to trim out the long videos, and then you have this export clip button. As soon as you click it, you give it a file name. I think you do need to give it a file name as well. So yeah, so it's automatically saved here. It's just a error message which is coming. The video file is saved. This is a fully fledged Electron project, guys. If you see Electron, if you don't know about Electron, it's a framework, Electron.js, which actually can build out cross-platform desktop applications with JavaScript, HTML, CSS. So specifically for this, we have used React.js for this. And if you see, we are also using this library Fluent-FFMPEG. We have also used Tailwind as well. Fluent-FFMPEG, which actually allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. It's actually available as a npm package. So it's a very popular package, almost 2 million downloads. So you can even build out as a executable as well. If you check the dist folder, I think it's present inside the release section, sorry. So once you run the npm run dev command, it will compile it to a exe file, which is actually a desktop application. So you can run this application directly. If I close this, so once you build it out, you can easily run this. So it will install it inside your Windows system as a desktop application. So this is the best thing about this Electron application, because you can easily install this inside your system. So if you need the source code, guys, you can directly purchase it. If you still face any issues, you can contact me after payment. Automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive, and you will be able to see how I coded this entirely in Electron and React.js, you will see each and every component is coded inside TypeScript. So this is your FFmpeg library. So these are all the components right here. You'll see each and every component is there. This is a timeline. This is a toolbar component. So the application will start here. You'll see that again you repeat the process. Can increase the timeline and then at any position you can split the video. You can even save the project as well. So that error message is just showing the video is successfully saved. So this is a complete project in Electron, guys. If you are interested in this, the link is given in the description. If you still face any issues, I will definitely help you. So it's actually using Fluent-FFMPEG, as you can see. It's a fully fledged project desktop application.